Hello and welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here. Take a deep, slow breath in and let it fall away. As we enter this quiet sanctuary together, let's lay down the heavy weight of expectations, and for the next few minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to solve. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's simply settle into the rhythm of your own natural, steady breathing. Breathe softly in and out through your nose. While you breathe, consider that in the world outside, we're constantly told that our goals must be loud. We're told that to reach our goals, we need to have it all mapped out, push harder, and overhaul our entire lives by tomorrow morning. It can feel heavy and sometimes paralyzing. But also consider that it's possible to live in the quiet and to make simple plans. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Unfurrow your brow. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth with a sigh. Let a soft smile come across your lips. Today's meditation isn't about doing more. It's about choosing what matters. To find our focus, let's gently look at two different layers of planning, beginning with the space you occupy right now. Consider the plans you make for you. These are the quiet promises you make to your inner self. It's a plan to breathe more deeply when things get busy. A plan to respond with kindness. Or a plan to honor your mind and your body with rest. As you think of these inner promises, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, the space that surrounds your heart. Feel it expand slightly with your next breath. These plans, these inner promises, require no calendars, no deadlines, and small effort. They only require your presence and a promise to yourself. Let your chest soften. Let your ribs relax. Now, let your awareness expand slightly outward to the plans for your life. These are the outer details, the daily tasks, the tangible goals, the steps you wish to take to move forward. When you care for the plans for you first, when your inner house is calm, the plans for your life begin to flow with much greater ease. Think of it like a tree. When the roots are deeply grounded in the earth, the branches naturally know how to reach for the sun. You don't need a grand sweeping overhaul. A single simple direction is enough. Take a breath, honoring your roots and honoring the plans for you. Think of your energy as a precious, quiet flame. When you invite too many decisions into your day, it's like a harsh wind blowing through, scattering your light. Let's practice the gentle art of protecting our energy, not by building walls, but by simply choosing what we allow into our sacred space. For a moment, notice if you're holding any tightness in your body right now. Let your belly become soft. Allow your hips to sink heavily into your chair or the floor. Let your hands rest softly in your lap, palms facing up, open to stillness, but closed to the noise outside. You are the gatekeeper of your own peace. You have full permission to say a quiet no to the unnecessary tasks, the extra noise, and the frantic pace of the world outside. When you clear away the clutter, you make room for clarity to enter. You aren't closing yourself off. You're simply creating a beautiful, intentional home in your mind. You're simply shielding your inner flame and clearing a path for peace. Sit with this feeling of simplicity. Let go of any need to rush. You're allowed to move slowly. You're allowed to live intentionally. Continue to breathe gently at your own rhythm. Let your body relax in stillness for a few moments. let's bring our awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to choose one simple thing and do it with an open, quiet heart. Come back to this meditation anytime you feel the need to sit with a feeling of simplicity. Subscribe to Three Leaves to join me for each new meditation. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, be well.